Hello friends, welcome in this Sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you that how to setup dialog prompt in Sketchware. So at first I am making an app, setup dialog prompt. Here you see. Now go to component and create a new component naming dialog dia, and then go here and give a text view of layout gravity center and type here anything you want. I am writing this is setup dialog prompt. Please subscribe this channel. I'm setting the text size 50 sp, and now on activity get, here we have to set these codes. Now set this all dialog component. Here you see. Now set the title hello, and set here the message welcome in this app. Now on OK button, thanks, and the cancel button OK, and this must be toasted. Thanks to now set here welcome, and set here may you enjoy the app. Now okay everything, and now I am running the app. Just wait a while as the app is installing. Here you see, when the app is started, here is the dialog hello welcome on this app. Now if I click on thanks welcome, again I am starting the app. Here you see. Now if I click on OK, may you enjoy the app. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, please like it, and thank you for watching this video. Please watch our other videos. Thank you.